Hey, welcome back to Black Lab Garage. You know, I've waved the Ford flag as long as anybody, and I bleed Ford blue. But I found something on that 351 Windsor that I tore down that just blows my mind. Ford, you really screwed the pooch on this one. Wonder what I'm talking about? Well, I'll show you. Come on, let's get into it. Okay, if you remember, I tore that late model roller 351 Windsor down. Of course, we're not using the crank or the rods or the pistons or none of that, but I was using it to make another video when something caught my eye. I guarantee that motor was oil burn. It was probably an oil burner not long after it was brand new. Everybody knows that when you put rings on a piston, you stagger the gaps because you can cause severe oil consumption if the gaps line up, and you'll lose compression. Let me show you what I found. Which, if you look at the tops of the pistons, yeah, you can see it was burning oil. But the pistons aren't wore all that bad. But what do you see right here? Huh. Yep. Somebody lined the oil rings, well, depending on what you call them. Some people call them rails, but they lined them up instead of staggering the gaps. Okay, one piston ain't so bad. But wait, there's more. They did a little better on that one. They almost staggered it, but they didn't. Nope, not on that one either. That'd be a big negative. See, all of them. I mean, look, you can see it's been burning oil. Yep, not on that one either. And not on that one. Just in case you think I'm showing you the same piston over and over, no. Where's that? I don't know where it is on that one. See, I'm not showing you the same piston over and over. There was only one that had them staggered. Only one. Of course, if you're keeping count, that was only 7 pistons. Well, see, I used one of them for something else, for another video, and when I took the rings off of it, that's when that caught my eye. Now, let me show you something here. Well, explain something. I mean, this is your compression ring, this is your scraper ring, and of course your oil ring. Now, this ring's job is to scrape the excess oil off the cylinders. Of course, this one was okay, but I'll use this one. Boy, this one right here is really burning oil. Okay, as the oil goes straight through here, obviously this ring is supposed to scrape it off. But what happens when this ring gets wore? It can't scrape as much oil off the cylinder, and it goes on up and the engine burns it. I mean, somebody there intentionally put them on there that way. There's no other way around it. I mean, that's not a accident. One, okay, yeah, I can see 1 or 2 being an accident. All of them, except for one, no, that's not an accident. I'm just kind of shocked. Anybody else ever run into this before? It's the first Ford engine I've ever tore down that all the gaps were lined up like that on the oil ring. So anyway, I just wanted to show you all this and get your opinion on it. So I hope this helps some of you. Be sure and hit the thumbs up, like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Me and the pups will be back with another one. Unless more Goose Creek. See you.